In this video, I'll show you how to fix indexing issues in Google Search Console in 2026. If your pages aren't appearing in Google Search, don't worry. Google Search Console can help you identify the problem and guide you toward fixing it. First, sign in to your Google Search Console account and select your verified website. From the left-hand menu, click ***pages** under the ***indexing *** section. Here, you'll see which pages are indexed and which pages have indexing problems. Scroll down to the Why Pages Aren't Indexed section. You'll find different types of issues, such as crawled, currently not indexed ***, discovered, currently not indexed page with redirect ***, duplicate without user-selected canonical ***, not found 404 ***, and blocked by robots, txt***. Click on any issue to view the affected URLs. Review the details carefully to understand why Google couldn't index those pages. In many cases, the solution depends on the specific error. If a page is blocked by *robots, txt*, update your robots, txt file if you want Google to crawl that page. If the page has a ***noindex** meta tag, remove it if the page should appear in search results. For **404 errors, either restore the missing page or set up a proper *301 redirect to a relevant page. If Google reports duplicate content, make sure the correct page has a proper ** canonical tag ***. After fixing the issue, return to Google Search Console and click Validate Fix ***. Google will begin checking whether the problem has been resolved. The validation process may take several days, so be patient while Google reviews your changes. You can also use the *URL inspection ** tool to test a specific page. If everything looks good, click ** request indexing * to ask Google to crawl the page again. This can help updated pages get reprocessed more quickly. To reduce future indexing problems, keep your XML sitemap updated, publish high-quality original content, avoid broken links, and regularly monitor the **pages ** report in Google Search Console. Checking your site every week can help you catch issues before they affect your search traffic. That's it. You've successfully learned how to fix indexing issues in Google Search Console in 2026. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe,